Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on choosing eyeshadows to complement your specific eye color. Now, throughout this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial featuring eyeshadows to complement blue eyes because, well, I got blue eyes. But if you have any other eye color, don't worry, I got you covered with a blog post, which I will have a link to down below. And even beyond that, we actually also have a playlist that features bloggers that we've worked with that have other eye colors and did tutorials specific for other eye colors. So I will have a link down below to that as well. But let's go ahead and get into it. Choosing eyeshadows to go with your specific eye color is actually pretty simple, and there are two ways to go about it. The first way would be to choose a color that's on the opposite side of the color wheel, or to go the more like monochromatic route. So either way, you're going to obviously want to know your eye color, and if you're having a hard time determining what your eye color is, it never hurts to ask someone that you feel comfortable with to help you kind of see what is the most dominant color, because I know like with hazel eyes there's usually multiple colors in there. It can be hard to tell, what is the most dominant, so it never hurts to ask. And then once you know your eye color, it's pretty simple from there. Obviously with the complementary route, what you're going to want to do is look at the color wheel and choose a color that's on the opposite side. And then with the monochromatic route, you're going to choose a color that's in the same range or the same family of colors, just something that's either lighter or a little bit darker than your natural eye color. So for me, I have blue eyes, which means that I'm going to be choosing colors that are in the kind of peachy range or more like orangey type colors, or something that has an orange undertone to it. Because that is on the opposite side of the color wheel for blue eyes. And if you're going the monochromatic route with blue eyes, obviously you're going to be choosing like a really light baby blue or a deep navy blue, and both of those would work totally fine. But in this video, I've chosen to go the orangey route. So the first eyeshadow that I used was in the shade called U Latte, and I applied that all over the eyelids. Next, I took the shade in Sugar and Spice and I applied that to the crease of my eyes and blended that out. Next, I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Yes You Canyon and I applied that just a little bit to the outer corners of the eyes to add a little bit of depth there. Lastly, I went in with the eyeshadow in the shade called Down to Earth, which I applied just basically right over the eyelid, but focusing more on the center of the lids because this particular eyeshadow has a little bit of shimmer in it, which will act as a highlight, which I really like and I think is beautiful, just to kind of pop on the center of the lids. To line my eyes, I just used the black eyeliner pencil. And then to finish off the eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara. And to finish off this makeup look, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Firecracker, which is a burnt orange color, and I felt like that would go really well with these specific eyeshadows and also help to make my eyes stand out. And this is the completed makeup look. Remember, there's going to be a link down below to a blog post where I will go over the other eye colors as well, so if you don't happen to have blue eyes, don't worry, we still got you covered. Anyway, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let us know what your eye color is and what your favorite eyeshadows to use are, because I'd be really curious to know. Anyway, thank you again for watching and take care. Bye!